Hey, hello guys, welcome to Radix Upgrade channel. So now we are studying about the list. Okay, have you guys heard about the list before? Have you guys heard about the list before? No, no, or yes. Okay, okay. If you are saying yes, then let's revise once again. If you are not sure about the list concept, then you will be studying it over here. Okay. So what we mean by a list is, see, in list you will be having two types of list. That is one is ordered list, another one is unordered list. Okay, so first I will putting it here over here. One is ordered list. Okay, for example, I will be saying ordered list. What do you mean by ordered list? Ordered list is nothing but it begins with OL. Okay, that is nothing but OL. This is nothing but your list tag. You can put it over here HTML. Okay, HTML, CSS. Okay, so for this, see, one more thing is there. Title is there, no? Whatever the title here, it is there, no? That should be same. Okay. I will be putting it as list concept. Yes. See. Okay. HTML, CSS, Java, script. Okay. This is ordered list. Have you guys heard about the unordered list? What is the difference between that unordered list? Unordered list. What do you mean by unordered list? Unordered list means it starts with UL. Okay. Say it as HTML again. I'll put the same li tag over here. Okay. Hope you can see the difference. Ordered list means it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In order. Unordered list means it will give you bullet points. Okay. Only so much is the difference. Okay, guys. So this is about your ordered list and unordered list. Next, in the next session, we will be studying it about the tables. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, then please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and if you are having any doubt, put it in the comment box. Okay, see you in the next video.